So I got my handle on for the trunk galley lid, and it's just temporary. You can see a little slack in it there, and also a little slack in the latch, but I got to where it will latch and lock. So let's open this up and take a quick look on the inside. I was able to, let's see the mechanism. I didn't go with the ones that were provided, which are these nylon ones. I mean, I'm sure they work really great, but and I may try them, put them on there and try them again, but I kind of get frustrated with trying to make this thing latch, and I wanted to make it perfectly fit. I found out I can probably put a little piece of wood in there to finish it out later and make it look as nice as I want it to look. So you can see the mechanism up here. Then I had to move it back away from the edge 3/4 of an inch and come up right there a 1/2 inch so that this would work properly. And what I did, instead of just cutting this off, I put me a little D-ring in there to hold it until I got everything the way I want it. I'm sorry about the camera waving, but I'm trying to do this almost leaning backwards. And then what will happen once I get my screws in here, that will that'll stop the slack from moving around. And I need to build me a gasket. You can see I had drilled the recess hole in there just like I drilled in the doors to get those to work. So when I get a little further along, I'll get that smoothed up better. And you can see up there my console. As the lights are on, the lights switches are lit, so you can see which lights are on. But man, these are LED and they're bright as heck. So if you got a light on, you're gonna know it. Well, let's first of all, let's take this latch off of here, so I don't have to paint around it. I don't have to worry about getting paint on it. And I'm getting ready to slap me some black satin paint on here. Oh, not on the wood surface, but on the this is difficult, but on the fiberglass roof and the galley lid in the front. This is getting kind of irritating now. So once I take this off and I close it, it's going to be a real booger to, and I don't have to worry about taping this stuff off along here, because I'll come back and sand it one more time with 80 and then go to 220 and something even less. But we got this all good to go here. We got 2 spots, as you can see, right down there. You can see my little galley lid hole. Sorry. See, it goes from a 3/4 inch hole down to a 1/2 inch, so that the knob will fit in there. If you don't do this, it sits about a 1/2 inch back, and there's no way to tighten it down or anything. What do you say we get busy on the paint? Let's see, industrial all-surface enamel here. Oop, I gotta go. Thanks for watching.